What is going on, you guys? So today, making this video, it is finally time to get these wheels installed on the truck. I've been waiting for a very long time to do this. It just happened that very last second. I decided to ceramic coat the wheels before putting them on the truck. The reason for that being is these wheels they seem to be brand new, and if they were mounted onto a truck or whatnot, it wasn't for very long. As you can see, the back of the wheels, I think it's a little too dark, but they're pretty much not, doesn't seem that they were ever installed onto any vehicle. They're very clean, no marks or anything on them. So I decided that I wanted to ceramic coat them. That way when I do go off-roading or just dirt, brake dust or grime from off the road, it'll be easier, much easier to clean compared to where if I didn't have it on. So these were actually ready to go on actually like a week ago, maybe a little bit longer than that. It's just that I decided to order the product, and it took a few days to get here, almost a week. So I had to wait on that, and that's pretty much what's been holding up the process. But today's the day. Finally, I'm just gonna already wash them just in case, even though they're brand new wheels. The tires are used, but I did deep clean the wheels already. I used it was a clean slate from Chemical Guys, so I used that on them. They're pretty, I mean, they're clean right now, besides just probably dust, which I'll do a little final wipe down, and I'll use some rubbing alcohol to take anything that might have gotten on there after. And also I will be going with Armor Shield ceramic coating. I'll try to record as much as I can, and we'll go from there. What is going on, you guys? So today's the next day after I did the ceramic coating on the wheels. So I ran out of time yesterday to put them on to do the install, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. I just wanted to get one last reading on as far as like the truck height, where it's sitting at now. For the front, I just checked. For some reason, the driver's side is a little bit lower than the passenger side. The driver front is currently sitting at, oops, let's see here. And this is going to be from my garage floor to the top of the fender, to the middle of the fender. So that is 38 and a half. 38 and a half for the driver front. And it looks like 36 and a half, a little bit over 36 and a half for the driver rear. I don't think you guys can see that on camera, so I'll just read it out. Passenger rear is gonna be at just under 37 inches. Just under 37. Almost 30, just pretty much almost 37. Passenger, for the passenger front, we are at 38 3/4. So passenger front 38 3/4. There's about a 1/4 inch. Quarter to almost half an inch difference from the driver's side to the passenger side, which I don't know if that's normal or something's wrong. I know this one I need to adjust for the driver front. I can adjust the coilovers and probably fix that. It's not that much of a difference, but it's definitely not even. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap over the tires. It's pretty much simple process. Bolts, pull the lug nuts off, swap it out, put it back on. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna take care of that real quick. I don't think I'll be filming that. However, I will take some shots of it after the wheels are on it, and we'll measure and see if how much height I gain from the other tires. These are stock tire size, which are 265/70/16 Michelins. I believe they're the Michelin Defender tires on the stock 16-inch wheel that it comes from factory. The other ones that I'm gonna put on it are the TRD Pro wheels. I believe they're the Forerunner TRD Pro wheels, in bronze, color bronze, wrapped with the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2s in the 285/70/17, if I'm not mistaken. Double check here. So it is the 285/70/17, which is a pretty beefy tire for this truck. I'm not sure how it's gonna handle it. I know for sure it's gonna slow it down. It's already a slow truck as it is, let alone with those tires. It's gonna slow it a lot more down, but we'll see how it is, and I'll give you guys my feedback. So here's the difference between the stock one, which this was on the left is 265/70/16. The one on the right is 285/70/17, and you can see the difference. Obviously this one's much taller. If you put them together, let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. It's a big difference in height. Let's see if you guys can see that from camera or tell the difference, but it's quite a bit of difference. And width as well, 285 versus the 265. But yeah, let's see how it looks on the truck. I just haven't been recording because I had to do the anti-seize, and I wanted to torque down the suspension, upper control arms, the coilovers. Since I installed them, it's been like about a month or so that I've been driving on them, so I just wanted to retorque and make sure everything's still torqued down to spec. What is going on, you guys? So finally the wheels are on the truck, but pretty much I'm gonna show you guys how the truck looks with the new wheels on it. They're the TRD Pro Forerunner wheels, I believe, with BF Goodrich KO2s in 285/70/17. So it's a pretty big tire for it. Surprisingly, I've been driving it for the past couple of days. I haven't had any issues with it as far as like rubbing or stuff like that, but I haven't really tried a full U-turn or, you know, locking out the wheel. But so far, pretty much, I turned the wheel. I mean, I haven't had any issues with it, just regular driving. But let me give you guys a quick walk around. So there it is, pretty much done. It's kind of what I had visioned for the truck. It is on the 17-inch TRD Pro wheels. Did the TRD Pro grill. It's not the TRD Pro, it's just the TRD badge with the grill insert. Front suspension is Toyotech. I believe they're the ultimate coilovers with the JBA upper control arms. That's pretty much it for the suspension. I haven't done anything in the back just yet. I'm still thinking about if I'm going to or not. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing any suspension upgrades on the rear. Right now, as you can see, it's kind of like squatting in the back just a little bit. Not that big of a deal. If I do decide to keep the truck, Most likely I'm gonna put the rear leaf springs, which should give me that leveling look to it. So yeah guys, that's pretty much how it's gonna look. I'm gonna see if I can get a better shot of it with the wheels, maybe like a rolling shot. But that's pretty much it. We're pretty much wrapping up this build. It's getting close to being done for what I had planned for it. I still need to do the stereo. I haven't done that. I'm just not sure what direction I'm gonna go with that. I don't want to dump too much more money into it than I already have. Like I said in the past, I have a camper shell for this truck. It is a different color though. It's a gray, I believe, and I would need to paint match that, and I'm just not sure if I'm gonna go that route. I'm not a big fan of them, but if I do end up keeping this truck, I would like to go camping in it, which would most likely need to put that on. But as of now, we'll see. I'm not quite sure yet.